Do you know what sound makes a big bite? Let's find out with the amazing letter A. Hello friends! Today we are going to meet the superstar vowel. This is A. Say hi to A. Can we say the A sound together? It's like A. Just like when you say apple. Let's pretend we are all taking big apple bites. Ready? Big bites and say A, A, A. Again. A, A, A. A is awesome because it starts so many fun words. Let's try some. Apple, ant, alligator. Can you look around and find something that starts with A? Look around. Let's play. Do these words start with A? Apple. Yes. Banana. No. Ant? Yes. Dog? No. Give yourself a big applause for trying. Let's be ants marching on the floor and say A, A, A with every step. Ready? March and say A, 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 A. A can be in the middle too. Cat, bat. Let's stretch those sounds. Cat, pat, cat, bat. You did it! Today you found about letter A. You learned to say A with a big apple bite and you found out words that starts with A. Amazing job! Do a happy apple clap for yourself. Keep saying your A sound whenever you see an apple or an ant. Get ready to meet the popping letter P in our next video. Bye bye friends. See you soon.